Hey guys, what's up? This is Bridget Hernandez, Bliss Bree. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've posted anything on here. I've just been so busy with school, and I know that's not an excuse, but I really want to get better about uploading on here. So I got a package sent to me from Novashine, and it looks like this. So basically it's a professional teeth whitening kit, and I used to have braces a long time ago. I don't know if you can tell, but I whitened my teeth when I got my braces off. Haven't whitened my teeth ever since, so I'm pretty excited to try this kit out. I've heard a lot of things about these kits, so I will be reviewing this for you guys today. So it comes with this little note card. It says, "Here's to a brighter you," and then when you turn it around, it has all of the directions. So it says that before whitening, rinse your mouth or gently brush your teeth, and I actually already did that. And then it says, apply whitening gel to upper and lower tray of the mouthpiece, making sure it is about 1 millimeter thick. And then it says, connect the mouthpiece to your phone. You should see the mouthpiece light up. It says, place the mouthpiece in your mouth, bite lightly on the mouthpiece, and wait for 15 to 30 minutes. Remove the mouthpiece and wash your mouth. For faster results, whiten multiple times a day as long as no sensitivity occurs. Okay, that's like a little weird because you normally shouldn't want to whiten your teeth multiple times a day because it is really bad for your enamel. So I'm a little thrown off about that. But let's try this because my teeth have gotten a little bit more yellow. I do drink a lot of coffee. I would say I drink coffee almost every single day, except I've been really sick lately. I've been sick like 2 times past this month, which is horrible. So I've actually had to get rid of coffee because it's really bad for my throat when I'm sick. Look, this is what the syringe looks like that comes with the kits. Oh, it comes with like a little bag to, I'm assuming, place everything. And I'm assuming that, oh yeah, so we connect this to this because then we will connect this to our phone. Uh-oh, I pressed it and it came out, stuff came out. Okay, so let's pull this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Put it on both sides. Okay, so 15 to 30 minutes. I think I'm gonna do 30 minutes just in case. Okay, so here's my phone. And then let's connect this. Whoa, that's so cool. I don't know if I'm excited for this. Or I am excited for this, but I don't know what to expect. Okay, let's set our timer. Timer.
Se puso linda, su amiga llamaba. Salió de rumba, nada le importó. Porque su novio ella le engañaba. Como si nada, ella se preparó. Se puso linda, su amiga y la primera vez que lo olvidaré. No necesita mentirles que no eres una bebé. Tiene que cumplir años y que no eres verdadera. No te secretos en diario. Ella no tienes la necesidad. Que me tira tu fan y que te va conmigo, tú ganes conmigo. Eso no.
Alright guys, I am back and I took out the mouthpiece and I rinsed my mouth. So my teeth, like even my lips, feel a little bit tingly from like what was in the syringe. Or I don't know how many tries I have to do so that you can see a major difference. I mean, I would say my teeth do look pretty white right now, but like I said, I whitened my teeth when I got my braces off, so of course they're gonna be semi-white. But yeah, I definitely want to do this several more times, and then that way I can let you guys know if there's been a drastic change or if there's been like even a minimal difference, you know, just because I feel like if I just do this one time, you guys aren't gonna get like a real review. It's just more of like, if I like it, does it taste weird? Do I think it's cool? You know, stuff like that. But it does have this, and it says that before whitening, record your starting shade to track your progress. Yeah, so, but I feel like this is so inaccurate to see the difference. I feel like the way I want to do it is I want to go and take pictures now with my teeth like this, like no edit, nothing, and see and compare it to when, you know, before I did this, and see if my teeth have whitened. Other than that though, I think that the product did, I don't know, it did feel like a whitening product. Like it tasted a lot like the one that sounds weird. It tasted it because I ate it. No, it tasted a lot like the whitening kit that I tried when I took my braces off. Except the other one was obviously in my retainers. It wasn't in like anything fancy like this. So I think that if you want something that lights up and just to like read and like put this on while you read or while you're getting ready, or if you want to be crazy like me and do it when you're wearing lip gloss, which I do not recommend doing, I think it is worth like the 60 bucks. Because if you think about it, like the Crest whitening strips, those are like $60, like the Vivid ones, like the Vivid kit. And yes, that has like 8 in them, but this one, right? And I only used like a little bit of product. So I'm pretty sure I can get about 8 uses as well out of this. Cases for 60 bucks is a good deal, and sometimes they also have 30% off. I think it's worth it. I think this is super cool, and I didn't feel like my teeth were gonna fall off when I took it out. I still don't feel that way. Maybe when I bite into ice cream I'll feel a difference. I wouldn't suggest doing this several times a day just because that's my personal preference. I'm not trying to die. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not trying to have my teeth fall off. And rating it from 1 to 10 on how much I like it, I would say I like it for a 9. And the reason that I'm giving it a 9 is because I don't yet know the results. Like, I can see a little bit like it's whiter right now, but I want to see through time, through several uses, like how white will my teeth get. Then I'll give it a 10. But I think that it's a very affordable price, and I think this little gadget right here is super, super cool. I think the fact that you can, you know, attach it to your phone and it lights up, like, come on. Like, how cool is this? Who invented this? Okay, like, it might not even be that cool, but I just think it's super cool. If you guys have any questions about the product, if you guys have any questions about anything else, just comment down below, let me know. You guys can always reach out to me on Instagram and DM me. I will also leave all my links down below for everything if you guys want to check anything else out. Like I said, I will try to get better about uploading, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe. Hope you guys subscribe. Hope you guys like this video down below, and let me know what you guys want to see. It's nice seeing you guys again. Not seeing you guys again, but you know what I mean. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys have great holidays, and again, thank you so much for watching.